everyone! Welcome to one of the most picturesque riverfront communities here in the Cayo district. We are currently at the exclusive Sleeping Giant Residences, located about 30 minutes from Belmopan. That is the capital of the country. And this is an incredible community here. We are located right on the Sabine River. And at this property, we have about a half an acre of lush, fertile greenery. You'll see some really incredible landscaping, but I'm going to be taking you through a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with an office, plenty of space, and really incredible riverfront views and views of the Mayan Mountains. So with that, let's just jump right in. Upon entering this home, one of the first things that you're going to notice are the vaulted ceilings. At nearly 14 feet tall, these wooden ceilings really create an open space here within the home. So we're just walking into the kitchen. I love how big this kitchen is, plenty of counter space as you can see around me. 2 sinks, one here, one over here as well, large fridge right over in the corner over here. But as you can see, plenty of space for you to be preparing your meals, be hosting friends, family, and not feel like you're cluttered. Right over here, you have a workstation, and then behind me through these stable doors over here, there is a full bathroom and then also a laundry room with a stackable washer dryer. So as we continue through the flow of the house, this is probably one of my favorite areas of the house because of how open it is. So if you have kids or grandkids who are going to be visiting, there is plenty of room for them. So right over here, we are in the dining area, and then behind me is an area that I would consider a den where you could put your board games. As you can see, there's a nice chessboard there already, or just read a book or simply relax. And what makes this area of the house, to me, the most beautiful are the windows. And when you look right out the windows, you have the river right there and you have the rolling Mayan Mountains. I don't know how it gets much better than that, but it is stunning. And here in Belize, we have a very lush tropical landscape, especially here in the Cayo district. And you'll notice that when we go outside, you'll see some papaya trees, you'll see other fruit trees. It's just very lush and jungly. And of course, you can add your own little touch to it if you really, really love limes for those margaritas, or perhaps you want to have a tomato garden or plant, you can certainly do that as well. So it's just a really lush, fertile landscape. All right, so here we have the living space. So TV, recliners, and then right over here to my right is the master bedroom. And what I really like about the master bedroom is the size of it and of course the vaulted ceilings as well. So this can be your office if you're still working, if your kids are in school or perhaps you're homeschooling, this could be the classroom space for them. And then last but not least, behind me, we have the second bedroom. And what I do want to note about all of the rooms here is that there is split air conditioning units. So that is very handy when it does get a little warm here in the tropics. Feel free to put that AC on, but there are also ceiling fans throughout. Now remember, we do have the vaulted ceilings here, the high vaulted ceilings, so you can always just open up a window and have a nice consistent breeze throughout. All right, let's go to one of the best parts of this house. It's where you're going to have some really, really incredible views. It's where you're going to be able to grab a cup of coffee, grab a glass of wine, and simply enjoy the environment that's around you. We have made it to the yoga platform, the seating area, whatever you want this to be. This is a place where you can just sit down, relax, enjoy, and listen to the birds around you. So here, this is your backyard. We're overlooking the Sabine River, and we have 360-degree views of the Mayan Mountains around us. This is truly the epitome of Belize jungle living. In addition to the seating area there over by the river, you have an outdoor kitchen space. Here in Belize, we do tend to live outdoors. It's tropical year-round, so if you're up in the north shivering during the wintertime, just imagine yourself here in Belize grilling out during those cooler winter months up north while you're enjoying the sunshine and refreshing air in Cayo. So there is a grilling area right over here behind me, and you can fix up this area over here to have your outdoor loungers, to have some tables, to have a space that is enjoyable for you and your family. A few more features I want to mention is the concrete driveway into the home. In addition to that, there are 2 carports, and last but not least, the landscaping throughout the entire property. As mentioned, we are in the tropics, so if you have a green thumb, or even if you don't have a green thumb but want to try gardening or growing some of your own fruit or vegetables, this is the perfect environment here in the Cayo district to do that. If you are interested in learning more about the Sleeping Giant residence, please do reach out to us. We'd love to get information over to you. This is a sister property property to the Sleeping Giant Resort. It is one of the best resorts here in the Cayo district. They do sit right next to each other, these properties, so you know that it is a very well taken care of, well manicured area in the Cayo district. My name is Rachel Jensen, and we hope to hear from you soon. Bye, everyone.